In this video, we are going to explore an exciting opportunity for anyone who wants to earn money without
AI.
money. Not only is it fun and creative, but it's also a great way to make money through platforms like Etsy and Fiverr. Let's discover how you can do it. Talent is a remarkable platform that enables users to bring life to old black and white photographs just by one click. Work with this platform is so easy that you can't imagine. For begin, you need a black and white photo. Click here and upload your photo here. You can see it is generating some color palette for you. In here your photo is ready. Amazing, right? You can click any of these palettes and choose the best one. The demand for colorized vintage photos is rapidly growing. People love to see their ancestors' images in vibrant hues as it brings them closer to the past. By leveraging this trend, you can tap into a market hungry for personalized and visually appealing art pieces. Finally, you can download the photo you want from here. Now that you have this tool in hand, it's time to showcase your creation. You should be looking for potential customers. I have two good suggestions for selling this service. The first one is Etsy, which you must have heard a lot. Etsy is a vibrant online marketplace where artists, crafters, and creators can sell their unique products. You must create an account and describe the services you provide. These are the accounts that are doing this right now and have made a lot of money so far. The second option is to create an account on Fiverr. In this platform, you have to describe your services with a number of work samples and attract customers too. As you know, this work is not difficult at all. It doesn't even cost anything. It doesn't even take much time at all. It is enough to visit your accounts daily and respond if the customer requests services. As you gain experience in positive reviews, gradually increase your prices and attract more clients. To maximize your success, it's crucial to promote your services effectively. In platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, remember, countless people have already found success in this market, and you can too. I put the link in description as always. If you are interested in making money with AI, subscribe to the channel and watch the channel's videos. Please like the video if you enjoy it.